Hello class 8th student, it's a part 11 chapter at science. Here we read about the thyroid gland. It is a butterfly shaped gland located in the front of the windpipe. Means the shape is like a butterfly and is present or located in the front of the windpipe. It secretes a hormone, that name is the thyroxine. Here you can see the structure of this. It's a shape of butterfly. The main role of thyroxine is to regulate the metabolism. What is metabolism? Metabolism is a reactions which is done in our body, inside the body, and by which body able to break down the food and convert this food into energy. That is known as a metabolism. Means some chemical activities which is done inside our body, by which the food is break down and we get the energy. So the main role of this thyroxine is to regulate the metabolism, which is the body's ability to break down food and convert it into energy. Now it is also responsible for physical growth. Sorry class. It is also responsible for physical growth and mental development. Both things, means physical growth as well as your mental development. The thyroid gland absorbs iodine. The thyroid gland absorbs iodine from the blood and then secrete thyroxine. Means the iodine is responsible for secretion of this thyroxine hormone. Clear? The deficiency of this hormone causes the goiter. Goiter is a disease. Goiter is a disease. In a common name you heard the kangaroo. Okay. So the deficiency of this hormone, which hormone? Thyroxine hormone, is caused the goiter, wherein the gland gets enlarged. It is also caused due to deficiency of iodine in a person's diet. So, wherein the glands get enlarged, means in this disease, in this goiter disease, the glands are become large, and it is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Means we take iodine through the salt. We know this thing, this is the iodized salt. We are just talking so many times that it is a iodized salt. Okay. So this iodine is absorbed by this, then it secretes thyroxine. So when the deficiency of iodine, then this disease may appear. Okay. And in this disease, the glands get large. Okay. When the lack of iodine or the deficiency of iodine in a person's diet, means the person's normal diet which they take. Here you see it's a normal gland, and with the disease of this goiter, the gland size you can see it's become enlarged, and this may appear from outside of our body, that is a swelling on the neck region. Swelling on the neck region. Now we read the another gland. Sorry, we continue this. An excess secretion of thyroxine causes increase in heartbeat and respiration, muscles weakness, irritability and distinct bulging eyes. This condition is called the exophthalmic goiter, means exophthalmic goiter or the grave disease. So an excess secretion of this thyroxine, means when this hormone is in the excess amount, we see the causes increase in the heartbeat and the respiration, and we feel the weakness, muscles are showing the weakness. Irritability means irritation cause, and distinct bulging eyes. Sometimes eyes looking so bulky, so heavy. Okay. So This condition is known as a exophthalmic goiter and the Graves' disease. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.